How to remove Telegram restrictions. First of all, open Telegram app and make sure to log in on your account. Then select the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen and select settings from that bar. When you come across to this settings page, when you scroll down and search, there is no any specific option here to remove restrictions directly from Telegram app. But don't worry, there is another alternative way, that is opening Telegram applications account on your Wave. For that, open any browser of your choice. On the web address bar, simply type in Telegram Wave and the link will open. Just open it on your device and then make sure to log in on your Telegram Wave account. As you can see that I already have logged in, simply tap on three line icon at the top left corner and access to the settings. Open the settings option and then once you are here you can simply see the option of privacy and security. Open it and then you need to scroll down and here you can see sensitive content. Simply you need to toggle on the button of disable filtering so that you remove Telegram restrictions. So in this way you can easily remove Telegram restrictions. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.